Good afternoon. So last week we picked up a few more Milwaukee bits and bobs, and I just wanted to do a little bit more of a review on them. Like I said before, real good stuff, and I'm really impressed with the way, you know, they're just so good. You know, they do everything we want them to do. So we bought a new cooler bag last week, and we've also got a charger, so like a battery pack charger. So this is it. Real good little piece of gear this is. Fits the M12 batteries. So M12 batteries, 2 amp hours. We've got some 3 amp hour ones coming as well. We literally just plug that in there and off you go. And it's really handy, so you know, if you've got your phone battery running low but you've got to go and do something, just pop it in your pocket, pop it on charge, and off you go. The good thing about this is it's also compatible with the Milwaukee heated jackets and stuff like that. So you can plug your heated jacket into this and you can run it off of your M12 batteries. So you'll have a lot of battery life on that. So that's one of them, which is really good. Something else is this little bad boy. I'm a sucker for a penknife, and this is really good. So you got your posi bit for your screwdriver. You can pull it out and flip it round. You've also got your flathead bit, so that's a real good little thing to have. Nice and safe as well. You know, you've got a button on the top, you've got to push that in to open it up. You've got a serrated bit on there, and then to push it back in, you've got to push that across. So really safe, really nice. Bit there to go in your belt or in your pocket, so that's a real nice bit of kit. And the other thing that we got is this cooler bag, which I'll just show you. So that is it. So the top bit, not much in there. Put your ice packs in there, close it up. It's really sturdy, you know, it's really well built. Pocket in the front, all your bits and bobs. What's this? Bit there for your tape measure. Bag in there for your gloves or whatever you want to put in there. And that is, like I say, I've had it for a week, and last week it was so hot I was using that all week, and cooler in there, and that did stay cold all day, so that was really good. Earbuds, still using them, really pleased with them. We're currently looking at a little tweak to the design of this. Hopefully we should get it through, and we should get it through in the next few weeks or months. That's what I'm hoping. Helmet, really pleased with that. I've had it for probably a month now and getting used to it, and it is absolutely brilliant. You know, with all the added bits on there. One of the other lads has got the dark lens on it, and he's really happy with that. I keep mine as a clear lens, and then I'll wear my sunglasses on top of that, which suits my style pretty well. So yeah, all in all, I'm really happy with the stuff that we are getting at the moment. I think it's really good stuff, and I'm not just saying that because we're giving it. We're not giving it. I pay for most of this stuff. They help us out a little bit, but generally we do, you know, do really well with it. And I would highly recommend anyone that's either getting into the game new, so you've got to go and buy all your stuff brand new, I would go for Milwaukee, just for the range of different stuff that they do. I think they've got such a variety of tools that you'd never not have something, you know. It's so wide and broad, and they're coming out with stuff all the time. The battery technology now is absolutely brilliant. It lasts forever. and you know, they've got a lot of stuff that they are bringing out to go across the board, from carpentry, steel fixing, kitchen fixing, anything like that, concrete work, a real vast amount of different things that they are getting into, and they've got a hell of a really good, I mean, the branding is brilliant. I mean, I think it's so sleek and flash, and you know, we do like nice things, and it all is really good stuff. So all in all, you know, really happy with the stuff we're getting at the moment, and yeah, we're going to keep on keeping on, get some more bits and bobs as we're going forward, and keep just doing a few reviews just to show people that it is good stuff and that we trust in it. You know, we've got a lot of Milwaukee tools now, and it's all really good. So I just want to show people that it is good, and give people a bit of an idea of what they're buying before they buy it, because you know, you don't want to go into stuff without really knowing what you're getting, and I just want to try and use this platform to just show people that it is good gear, and I would highly recommend it. So there you go, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.